Hi, I'm Marna, and I found something really odd and exciting at a garage sale the other day. Really inexpensive. These are some sort of note card. Be glamorous. But what's cool about them is I just couldn't believe my eyes when I saw them. Can you see the envelope? It has patterns on it, like sewing patterns. These could be used for for a lot of things. You can make these just a little bit larger if you cut the fabric larger for Monster High. But they'd also be good for like the Barbies from McDonald's. I know I collect them and a lot of people do. And they're also on the back of the card and the front of the card. And I just thought this was the cutest thing. We're doing something new at our channel, and what we're doing is having hidden giveaways. I'm going to mail 2 of these to lucky subscribers out there so that they can have these patterns too. You must be a subscriber, and I must be able to see that you're a subscriber. Some channels have that like hidden thing. Leave a comment that you're interested, and please like. Thank you for watching. Keep your eyes out at those garage sales. You never know what you will find that you didn't even know existed. Thanks for watching.